Umesh Revankar joins us, Managing Director and CEO with Shriram Transport Finance. Umesh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. If market analysis and if CV cycle history is anything to go by, we are in the 5th year of the upturn, and the CV data seems to be indicating that the best of the CV sales patch is behind us. Umesh, would you like to respond to my question?
Hello.
Would you like to respond to my question? Were you able to gather my question?
No, I could not get.
No. The CV cycle is in its 5th year of uptick. And
can you repeat your question, please?
Okay, let me try that. Mr. Revankar, just wanted to understand, CV growth data.
Sales,
yeah, go ahead, please.
Yeah. They say CV sales, what we observe is because of slowdown in the real estate, right now the numbers are looking a little weak. The bulk movements, if you look at how it functions, bulk movement like steel, cement and sand, building material, that movement has been slowed down. So last 3-4 months there is slowdown on the heavy vehicle sales. But if you look at February, the infrastructure activities have increased. So there is a demand picking up for the tipper which are directly linked to the infrastructure activity. So I believe there will be some uptake in March and next year, because the pre-buying pressure, there would be a much bigger rally on CV sales, maybe second half of the next financial year. Till then, probably it may look a little lukewarm. But after that, post-October, the CV sales should pick up much significantly, because the CV prices are likely to jump by around 10 to 15% because of the Bharat Stage 6 technology change and change in emission norms.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Revankar. What is the situation that you're gathering with respect to on-ground momentum? Disbursements have definitely seen a degrowth. Are you seeing that trend continuing, or are you seeing a pickup?
There is a pickup. There is definitely a pickup in February. The pipelines are much better for us. Demand is good. The demand is basically coming from the rural market. The rural seems to be reasonably good, and the demand for used vehicle is very good. So only the new vehicle sales are little down, which especially that is more so in heavy vehicle, which I think will pick up in March.
Second-hand financing market. Are you benefiting because other NBFCs don't have liquidity to lend? Is that visible now?
I cannot comment on that, because if you look at the new vehicle financing, the captive finance companies and the banks, both are active. So I don't think a lack of liquidity, there is a challenge for the market.
And the way how the second-hand bus or the CV market moves, it always grows with a lag effect. So the CV slowdown, what we are seeing right now, you may not see that kind of a slowdown in the second-hand market. Do you think that is the risk, and we may see a marked slowdown in the second-hand CV market?
See, second-hand CV market is not likely to slow down, because what happens is a second-hand is basically a secondary market that gets generated when vehicle sales getting sold from one person to another person for a different application or same application, or maybe shorter distance from the longer distance. That's how it changes. And these changes, the demand for used vehicle comes from basically strong the rural market. So I feel the rural market is still good. the demand is there for used vehicle. The lag effect of new vehicle sale coming down happens after a long time, after maybe 2 or 3 years, when there is a secondary market get generated for that particular vehicle. So it has no immediate impact as such. But if the economy slows down, then the activity slows down for everyone. So that is, I don't see right now economy slowing down to the extent of slowdown in the demand for credit. We see good credit demand, and I expect it to improve further in the month of March.
But just wanted to understand, we were reading this note, Mr. Revankar, this morning by CLSA, and they say that this is going to be the year of mergers and acquisitions within the NBFC space. A, wanted your opinion on the same, and B, do you think Shriram Transport and Shriram City Union Finance would be merged at an eventual time?
No, right now it is still in a discussion stage. We have not firmed up anything. There is no immediate plan for merger, and this is nothing to do with the situation prevailing now.
How soon can we get a conclusion? I mean, I know it is at board level right now, but do you see things moving before the close of financial year, or not quite?
Not. We have not reached any advanced stage on that. So it is not even come at board level. So I don't think anything will happen so soon.
Are all your intercompany loans being taken care of? That is something, let me assure you, is a huge concern.
No, that's all been taken care of long back. Nothing is there intercompany loans.
I mean, I remember talking about it, but pardon me, I'm not top of the entire fine print. I remember there was a concern which market had raised that your balance sheet was being used to finance your infra company of the group. Has that money come back? What's the status on that?
No, see, it was a guarantee given by us for the NCD raised by them. Actually, it is not a group company. It is a totally different entity. There is no commonality between these companies. However, that guarantee has been terminated because that has been serviced.
So as of now, there are no guarantees, there are no intercompany loans. There is the business of Shriram Transport as it stands. It is only for the listed entity which is in the business of CV financing. That's it.
That's it. You're right.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for your valuable inputs. Markets mean